When undisturbed, nature self-regulates. Plants, animals, and elements organically exist as authentic and empowered individuals within the whole. Each role is important for balance and abundance in the ecosystem they share. Our deck conceptualizes themes within self-sovereignty and personal power using the prairie as a model. We kept the deck as wild as possible. Each card has an action verb significant to the being's existence. Open-ended questions offer new framing for engaging with that energy and encourage old associations to fall away. Every line in the illustrations carries Amy's intention of honoring the physical inspirations. During the creation process, Amy and I trusted each other and the project as the energies ebbed and flowed. I translated the messages I perceived as each being appeared in my consciousness, and Amy brought them to life. Eventually, I realized that the cards had naturally grouped themselves into 4 clear categories. The Do cards come first and represent a call to action of some kind. The No category encourages awareness of your conscious mind and helps you to translate intuition into thought form. Next are the Feel cards. These are a gateway for processing feelings without judgment and for ushering in desired emotions. Finally, the Claim category is our container for activating and wielding your power with clear intention. The celestial cards offer additional layers of meaning for interpreting a spread. They remind us to look up and see from a broader view. We hope that Prairie Majesty Oracle reminds you just how powerful you really are.